हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे आप सब। मैं हूँ एकलव्य। बात करें ओपीएससी असिस्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफिसर 2026 जनरल अवेयरनेस प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट 31। यहाँ आपको 20 क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलेगा आज पर प्रीवियस पैटर्न। डिफिकल्टी लेवल मॉडरेट है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। In March 2026, the Odisha government officially launched the Panchasakha Shiksha Setu initiative. This program is a revamped version of which former state scheme? Option A, Mo School Abhiyan. Option B, Am Odisha Navin Odisha. Option C, Biju Yuva Bahini. Option D, Kalia scheme. Option A is the correct answer, Mo School Abhiyan. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which district in Odisha recently saw the discovery of the rare parasitoid wasp species Chelonos Mahadev in early 2026? Option A, Kandhamar. Option B, Ganjam. Option C, Karaput. Option D, Mayurbhanj. Option C, the correct answer, Karaput. चलिए नेक्स्ट। As of April 2026, India has achieved what percentage of its total installed electricity capacity from non-fossil fuel sources, surpassing its previous target? Option A, 40%. Option B, 45%. Option C, 52%. Option D, 60%. Option C is the correct answer, 52%. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The International Craft Summit held in February 2026 focused on the global branding of Rupa Tarakasi. Which city's craftsmanship does this refer to? Option A, Puri. Option B, Kotak. Option C, Sambalpur. ऑप्शन डी जाजपुर। ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर कटक। चलिए नेक्स्ट। During the Quit India movement in Odisha, the Iram massacre is often compared to the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. In which year did this incident occur? Option A 1940, option B 1941, option C 1942, option D 1943. Option C is the correct answer 1942. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Who among the following was the first president of the Utkal Pradesh Congress Committee UPCC formed in 1921? Option A Gopabandhu Das, option B Hare Krishna Mahtab, option C Madhusudan Das, option D Navakrishna Chaudhary. Option A is the correct answer Gopabandhu Das. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Article 239A of the Indian Constitution, which was in news in early 2026 regarding UT governance, specifically provides for a legislative assembly in which union territory? Option A Delhi, option B Puducherry, option C Ladakh, option D Jammu Kashmir. Option B is the correct answer Puducherry. चलिए नेक्स्ट। In the context of bulldozer justice debates in early 2026, the Supreme Court emphasized that the right to housing is an integral part of which article? Option A, Article 14, option B, Article 19, option C, Article 21, option D, Article 300A. Option C is the correct answer, Article 21, right to life. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Subarnarekha River, which was recently in the news for environmental protection measures, originates in which Indian state? Option A, Odisha, option B, West Bengal, option C, Jharkhand, option D, Chhattisgarh. Option C is the correct answer, Jharkhand. ये कहाँ कहाँ फ्लो करता है? झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, ओडिशा, फिर बे ऑफ बंगाल। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which of the following mountain passes connect the Indian state of Sikkim with the Tibet Autonomous Region of China? Option A, Sipkila, option B, Nathula, option C, Lipu Lake, option D, Boundila. Option B is the correct answer, Nathula. पहले ये बंद था, 2006 में ये खोला गया है, रीओपन किया गया। चलिए नेक्स्ट। The 16th Finance Commission in India, active in 2026, is chaired by whom? Option A, M.K. Singh, option B, Arvind Panagaria, option C, Raghuram Rajan, option D, Urjit Patel. Option B is the correct answer, Arvind Panagaria. Sorry, Arvind Panagaria. दो 2026 से 2031 तक है 16th फाइनेंस कमीशन। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट। Headline inflation in India is primarily measured using which index? Option A, WPI Wholesale Price Index, ऑप्शन बी सीपीआई कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स कंबाइंड, ऑप्शन सी आईआईपी इंडेक्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन, ऑप्शन डी जीडीपी डिफ्लेटर। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, सीपीआई कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स कंबाइंड। चलिए नेक्स्ट। In April 2026, Niti Aayog released a report titled Ease of Doing R&D in India. Which of the following was key recommendation of the report? Option A, reducing the number of scientists. Option B, increasing private sector participation in research funding. Option C, centralizing all research labs under one ministry. Option D, stopping international collaborations. Option B is the correct answer, increasing private sector participation in research funding. चलिए नेक्स्ट। What is Dhwani, which was recently tested by DRDO in early 2026? Option A deep sea exploration vessel. Option B, a hypersonic glide missile. Option C, an indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. Option D, a high-speed 6G router. Option B is the correct answer, a hypersonic glide missile. चलिए नेक्स्ट। In May 2026, India successfully tested a Mark 10 hypersonic anti-ship missile of the cost of which state? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Option B is the correct answer, Odisha. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which Indian Navy vessel, the fourth Project 17A stealth frigate, was delivered by Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) in May 2026? Option A, Himgiri. Option B, Nilgiri. Option C, Mahendragiri. Option D, Dunagiri. Option C is the correct answer, Mahendragiri. याद रखना, महेंद्रगिरी इज द लास्ट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट 17A, लास्ट 7 स्टील फ्रिगेट्स। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट। According to the State of India's Environment 2026 report, how many of the 9 planetary boundaries have been breached globally? Option A 5, option B 7, option C 9, option D 4. Option B is the correct answer, 7. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which invasive plant species is cited in the 2026 ecological reports as a major factor in increasing human tiger conflicts in India by suppressing native grasses? Option A water hyacinth, option B lantana camara, option C Prosopis juliflora, option D Parthenium. Option B is the correct answer, lantana camara. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Subhadra Yojana, launched in Odisha to provide financial assistance to women, provides an annual payout of how much? Option A 5,000, option B 10,000, option C 15,000, option D 20,000. Option B is the correct answer, 10,000 rupees per year. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which state became the first in India to have a paperless state judiciary as announced in the National Conclave on Technology in 2026? Option A Kerala, option B Odisha, option C Sikkim, option D Karnataka. Option C is the correct answer, Sikkim. थैंक यू, आज के लिए इतना ही। अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।